Um, excuse me. Also, for everyone who's new here, I do burp a lot. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jesus Christ, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. There you go. I just. Exactly. Excuse me. Depressive power. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. That wasn't me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. New album. I was listening to it this afternoon. Okay, that's double. Excuse me. Oh, that felt good. Ah! That wasn't me. That wasn't me. Excuse me. Nya. There's the burp. Nya. Oh my god. Excuse me. Really cried. Excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. That was a very wet one. Oh, excuse me. I'm good. I'm actually like currently eating. I got hungry. I don't know why. Probably because I ate supper at like 6 p.m. So early. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. Oh, fucking hell.